drives.
What the fuck?
I'm telling you, bro.
Oh, now he wants. What the fuck? You seen a ghost or some shit? What the fuck was that, bro?
I'm telling you, flashing.
Jump, bro.
I'm telling you, bro. He was like, what the fuck? He was like, I knew it.
Me by that.
I don't know, probably he has seen your videos. I don't know.
Guys, we have another passenger in the back.
Yeah.
So it's me, my brother, and his friend.
Right there, passenger. So we're a little bit heavy, you know, but it is what it is.
What's up, boys? Oh, look at my boy Shelby right here. I'm trying to get it running with him, but I think his shit's always down or something. But I'm gonna hit him up. This car against a GT500 would go crazy. I gotta go get some E85 ASAP because I'm on 3 bars and that's equivalent to about 40 miles. Probably less than that. There you go. All right, let me show you guys what we're working with. All right, so this right here is a Kraftwerks Supercharger kit. It's a bigger crank pulley in the bottom, so it creates more boost. I have this Supercharger MVP bracket, so it reduces the belt slip. I'm pushing about 12 pounds of boost at 7,500 RPMs with basically near maxed out injectors, so I'm supposed to rev it out to all the way to 8K, but fortunately I'm not. But this setup will do for now. I am also running a header and exhaust on fully 85, as you know, as I'm filling up. Traction control off. And oh, is that a CTSV? CTSV right here. I'm gonna smoke this guy. Probably not, but let's just see if he's down. He's taking the exit, but alright boys, let's get it. Let me actually roll down my windows. Oh damn, E36. little bit. This car does pretty damn good. With these R888s, I mean, they literally hug the road. So I did just dog the living hell out of this car. So I kind of just want to cruise the car right now. Kind of let things cool down. And then we'll go ahead and start beginning some pulls again. It's a beautiful day today. Although it's kind of like foggy, gloomy kind of. It's still a nice day. Let it idle. Let it kind of just cool down. Even though I don't really have to, but this is actually the first time I'm dogging the car like this. So just want to check everything out, make sure everything looks good, and we'll do it again. All right, big shout out to Acuity. I love this fuel rail. Big shout out to Alpha Injectors. They make wonderful injectors. I had zero problem with them. My tuner absolutely loves them. And man, everything looks good. Oh yeah, real quick guys, I know you guys are gonna ask, how do I shift so well? Or something along the lines. I actually have, let me take out the GoPro real quick. I actually have something right there. They're Acuity bushings. So they're about 80 bucks and they're literally night and day difference. Sorry guys, let me go ahead and say that again. So these Acuity bushings right there, I'll probably put the link in the description. Absolutely amazing. They work really well. I shift much better. This product is something that I recommend. It's only about 80 bucks. So 80 bucks, you have better shifting. The shifter just feels way better. That is something that I just recommend to everybody. Another thing I recommend to everybody is this entire setup. No, but seriously, Acuity fuel rail, they make really good fuel rails. Alpha Injectors, which I'm running, they're 1650 cc's. Pretty big, but absolutely amazing injectors. I've been running all their injectors on all my setups, on my black Civic, this Civic, when I was at 6 pounds, you know, all my setups, I was running their injectors and they're absolutely amazing. I have a discount code in the description below, so if you guys want to save yourself some money, go ahead and just use my discount code. View. Nice. Let's just turn around, to be honest. There's hella cars down here. Oh yeah, that's good. I definitely need motor mounts as soon as possible. Speaking about motor mounts, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the motor mounts from my black Civic because the engine is just moving like a crazy amount. Like these stock motor mounts is probably all broken. Let's just finish strong, I guess. If you're ever going through shit, just get in your car and drive. Go for a drive, go to the back roads, just chill, listen to some music. That's like the best therapy you could ever get. All right, let's go. Finally arrived at my boy's shop. Hello, my friends.
Hey, baby.
What's cracking?
Hey, baby. How you doing, baby? What's up, brother?
Poppin', brother.
Yo, damn. Hey, babies. Hello.
What you do? Damn! What's up, yo? Getting attacked by pups. What's up, dude? Yo, yo, yo. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Look at the black Civic, guys. Built motor right here, which is pretty fucking shitty. All right, so boom boom motor mounts, I don't need that. I do need this right there. My little helper right here. I'm gonna just go right in this fucking... Oh my god, bro. Is that it? Oh, fuck no. I'm not getting this fucking mount, dude. I don't got tools, bro. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end today's video in a nice little pull.